If you invest in anything without researching, it's gambling, my friends, be the stock market or the crypto market. In this video, I'll help you with a step-by-step approach for you to start your own research. We will look at three essential metrics. The first one, project metrics, financial metrics, and blockchain metrics. First, project metrics. What is the project? ये कैसे पता चलेगा? प्रोजेक्ट के वेबसाइट पे जाओ, रीड दी वाइट पेपर. जैसे एक स्टॉक मार्केट में आप प्रोस्पेक्टस पढ़ते हैं, उसे यहाँ पे वाइट पेपर कहते हैं. वाइट पेपर को आप डाउनलोड करके आप चैट जीपीटी में अपलोड भी कर सकते हो एंड यू कैन स्टार्ट आस्किंग इट क्वेश्चंस. What is the mission of this company? What are they trying to solve for? How are they better than their competitors? इससे आपको आइडिया लग जाएगा कि what does the project do? प्रोजेक्ट समझ में आ गया? Now let's look into the team or the promoters. Turn on your detective modes to check whether the team is credible or not. Experience है कि नहीं है? Did they work with big companies before or not? Did they raise huge funds in their previous startup? All these things will help you to check whether the team is credible or not. You could use LinkedIn or Crunchbase. For example, Gavin Wood, जो कि Ethereum के co-founder है, went ahead and started Polkadot. Now, if you're researching about Polkadot, this information is very critical for you. Do not forget to check the roadmap, जो कि उनकी future goals and milestones को outline करता है. Analyze token utility. Token का utility उसकी long term value को affect कर सकता है. तो सोच के देखो कि ये token करता क्या है. Does it give you governance rights in a decentralized platform? Or does it give a yield on the revenue generated by the project, something like stock dividends? Or is it a gas token? So basically, gas token का मतलब ये है, whenever you want to do any transaction on a blockchain, you need to pay transaction fees, which is called as the gas fees. For example, if you want to use the Ethereum blockchain, you need the ETH token as a gas token. Now, whenever there are more users coming on the Ethereum blockchain, the more transactions are happening, the more gas token is being used. So this is one of the reasons it is very important for you to understand the utility of the token. Tokens with no utility are also called as meme coins. Now, these coins are basically made out of viral memes.
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.